Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're going to remove Preview's recent and thumbnail history now. First, quit Preview and check Activity Monitor to ensure no preview processes remain. Once done, back up the folder /library/containers/com. Apple, preview to an external drive or a new folder. This preserves settings if you need to restore. Make sure Finder shows hidden files by pressing Command-Shift, so you can navigate into Library. This avoids permission mistakes later and gets you straight to the data files we'll remove. Now remove the specific files that store preview history and thumbnails. Open Terminal or Finder and delete com. Apple, preview preference files inside /library/containers/com. Apple, preview /data/library/preferences. These hold recent document lists. Then delete contents of /library/containers/com. Apple, preview /data/library/caches to clear thumbnails and cached previews. Once removed, empty the trash to ensure they're gone. Finish by relaunching Preview and checking the file Open Recent and Sidebar Thumbnails. They should be cleared. If some items remain, make sure macOS level Recent Items in System Settings or System Preferences is set to 0 and restart. Preview can repopulate from system history otherwise. If something breaks, restore the backup you made earlier. As a troubleshooting tip, reboot into safe mode and repeat the deletions there. Safe mode prevents background processes from locking files, making cleanup reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.